How to set bookmarks in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to work with by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or simply press Ctrl+O for quick access. Once your audio file is loaded into the editor, play or scroll through the waveform to find the point where you want to set a bookmark. To add a bookmark, go to the Bookmarks tab in the top toolbar, then click on Set Bookmark. You can also press Ctrl+B as a shortcut. A small marker will appear on the timeline at a selected point, helping you quickly find important sections later. You can rename the bookmark by right-clicking on it and selecting Rename. If you want to go to a bookmark, select its name, right-click and choose Go to Bookmark. To delete a bookmark, right-click on it and select Delete Bookmark. Finally, save your project by clicking on File and then Save to keep all bookmarks intact for future editing. And that's it. Now you know how to set bookmarks in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.